Hello, Simon here from Andover Classic Motorcycle Workshop. Welcome to another video. This time we're going to be taking a look at this absolutely beautiful Model 18 Norton that came into us for a total recommission. So from day one we knew this wasn't going to be a simple service, and the bike's back on the road now, but at the time it took a little bit longer. It was missing parts that no longer exist, as well as a bunch of other jobs as well. So let's take you through it. We got the bike on the ramp to find out that the fuel tank and the right hand side tap was leaking, so we fixed that issue pretty quickly by tightening the washers and totally replacing the fibre seal. But then we also checked the old battery, which wouldn't recharge, so we replaced that. So a couple of fairly easy jobs. A few of the other easier fixes, we delved deeper into the bike, and then we found that when we removed the carb, the mono block housing was cracked and split, and also the float and needle weren't locating correctly. Sadly, the part is completely discontinued by Burlen, so we found something as close as possible to the original spec and made this work for the bike. When it came to the oil pipes, we actually found a number of these were completely missing, and we spent our time painstakingly recreating these ourselves to fit the bike, and then had to also remove a perished T-connector and replace that as well. The gearbox adjuster rod was loose and had worn locating pinholes, making it hard to find first gear. So rather than just trying to replace anything, we adjusted it and refitted the rod and pin adjustments, which meant the rider could now select all the gears, which is fairly handy, of course. We gave the bike a quick test, but found that the clutch was really grabbing. So on an investigation, we found a number of foreign parts throwing the alignment out. We had to reset the clutch with new parts. The bike's gone back to the owner now though, and he's really happy to have a safe and running bike again, albeit with a list of other jobs he's going to probably have to chat to other suppliers about in the future, like the Speedo only working in reverse, which was a weird one. As always, if you're struggling with anything on your classic motorcycle, please do get in touch. We work on all bikes, specialising in work on Nortons and Triumphs, so hopefully we can help you out. And until next time, safe riding, and check out the sound of this lovely bike.
Grazie.